honey bunny, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Rocky. If you're new here, let me introduce myself. I'm Rocky. I make videos about natural hair, healthy skin, nails, overall health and wellness. So if any of those topics interest you, go ahead and subscribe because I'd love to have you join the family. In today's video, I will be showing you how I do my faux locks. So this is a protective style I like to do occasionally just to switch things up, and plus I like locks. So this is a way to get the look without committing to the actual locks. Or if you are on the fence, you can do this, wear it for a week or so and see if you like it, and then you could just go on full lock and there you go. But for me, this is a temporary style that I do occasionally. I do wear it for about a week to 2 weeks and then I unravel it because I personally am not going to lock my hair. But if you want to, I'm all down for it. But yeah, in today's video, I'm going to show you my faux locks. So let's just hop right into today's video. Okay, so it's been 2 days since I did my hair. I feel like it should be dry at this point, and if it's not, it's probably just a tiny bit damp, so whatever. It should be pretty stretched, so I'm gonna go ahead and take my rubber bands out and show you my final style. Okay, so this is my final look. I hope you love it. Now, everything is your prerogative. You can make your locks as big as you want. You can make them as small as you want. But remember, these, although they're faux locks, these are how you actually start locks. So if you don't want your hair to actually lock, you do need to be mindful of how long it takes for your hair to lock. For me, it's about 2 weeks before my hair will really start locking. So I know I can go about 2 weeks before I need to take these out, but for some people their hair may lock faster, others not so much. I would avoid getting them wet as well because you want to prevent them locking unless you want locks. If you want locks, do what you gotta do. But yes, these are supposedly faux locks. It is for a style. It is technically a protective style, and it's a super cute style, so I really love it. And earlier today, when my hair was still in the kind of double ponytail, someone actually told me, I love your sister locks. So they do look like locks because this is how you start locks, guys. So please, if you don't want real locks, remember to unravel them before your hair starts to tangle into itself, and then either you're gonna have a really hard time untangling it, or you're gonna have locks. So you probably are wondering, what is the takedown of all this gonna look like? So if you're interested, make sure you are subscribed so you can see me take these down. But for now, it took me about 8 hours to put them in, so I'm totally, I'm gonna get my wear out of them. I love the way they came out, and I'm just really happy with it. Because of the rubber bands, it did make them kind of crinkly, but I'm not so worried about that. I'd rather them be crinkly than super shrunken. So you kind of got to weigh your options. And also, I did leave that in for 2 days, so I had it completely set like that. It may be easier to just sit under a hair dryer and just have it dry for a few hours versus a few days. You just got to do what works best for you. But yeah, this is the style. I hope you love it. If you have any questions, go ahead and comment below. But yes, this is the look. I hope you like it. I hope you learned something new. As always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe to me because I'd love to have you. But until next time, see ya.